Hello, 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 and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are on procrastination way number 11, that is upgrade your key skills of the from the book Eat That Frog, written by Brian Tracy. So today we are going to talk about how to upgrade your key skills. Let me quickly hop into the chapter. Thank you, Achna, for joining in. And
Thank you, Karishma.
let me present the book to you and you can read. The only certain means of success is to render more and better service than is expected of you, no matter what your task may be. Isn't that beautiful? कि आपसे जितनी भी एक्सपेक्टेशन हो उससे हमेशा ज्यादा आप डिलीवर करोगे, बेटर सर्विस दोगे तो यू विल बी अ विनर. This is one of the most important personal productivity principles of all. Learn what you need to learn so that you can do your work in an excellent fashion. The better you become at eating a particular type of frog, the more likely you are to just plunge in and get it done. A major reason for delay and procrastination is a feeling of inadequacy, lack of confidence, and inability is in a key area of the task. A single area where you feel weak or deficient is enough to discourage you from starting the job at all. How many of us have felt that? मुझको टॉपिक अच्छे से नहीं आता, I don't know how to deliver it. So many times it has happened. Maybe when we started off on the journey of coaching, we had that. If you are a professional, when you joined in the job, you did not know how to do something and you were always thinking कि हाँ ये काम ना मुझको दे दिया जाए. And if it was given, you would keep on thinking कि इसको कैसे start करूं, कैसे करूं. That is why it is said that continually upgrade your skills is your key result area. Remember, however good you are today, your knowledge and skill is becoming obsolete at a rapid rate. As Pat Riley, the basketball coach, said, if you are not getting better, you're getting worse. And that is the reality. In this fast pacing world, you have to keep on upgrading yourself every single day. You have to be a lifelong learner. And that's what it says, never stop learning. One of the most helpful of all time management techniques is for you to get better at your key tasks. Personal and professional improvement is one of the best time savers there is. The better you are at a key task, the more motivated you are to launch into it. The better you are, the more energy and enthusiasm you have. When you know that you can do a job well, you will find it easier to overcome procrastination and get the job done faster and better than under any other circumstances. How many of you know how to make tea, how to cook? Do you procrastinate on doing that? No, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि you know it very well. You have done it so many times that you are proficient at it. And if you are given a task of cooking, you will be like, हाँ ठीक है, done. Think about it. One piece of information or one additional skill can make an enormous difference in your ability to do the job well. Identify the most important things you do and then make a plan to continually upgrade your skills in those areas. For example, Archana, you are a healer, so you have to continually find things that you need to upgrade on. There are certain modalities that you keep on doing. तो उन्हीं स्किल्स को और ज्यादा अच्छा और ज्यादा सुंदरता से आप कैसे कर सकते हो सो दैट द पीपल ऑल्सो फाइंड अ फ्लेवर न्यू फ्लेवर एवरी टाइम दे जॉइन इन, राइट? Rule says continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Refuse to.
Sorry, dear.
Sorry, you're on mute.
Sorry. हाँ वो एक्चुअली एक फोन आ गया था, मैं सुन नहीं पाई ध्यान से.
So it says that one piece of information or one additional skill can make an enormous difference in your ability to do well in a job. Identify the most important thing you do and then make a plan to continually upgrade your skill in those areas. The rule says that continuous learning is the minimum requirement minimum requirement for success in any field. अगर मैं chef हूँ, तो I have to keep on upgrading my cooking skills. If I am a coach, I have to keep on upgrading my skills to be a better coach. क्योंकि in the fast evolving world, we need to evolve and upgrade our skills every single day. जो teachers थे,
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट.
they were such great teachers, and during COVID they had to upgrade themselves towards Zoom, कैसे operate करना है, how to train
Exactly.
online and everything, right? So
True.
refuse to allow a weakness or lack of ability in any area to hold you back. Everything is learned, and what others have learned, you can learn as well. So many teachers during COVID said, हमको नहीं पता technology को कैसे use करना है.
Right.
क्योंकि उनकी जरूरत थी, they did learn, right? And there are so many things that we keep on saying as well. Ki I don't know how to manage money. I don't know how to go to bank and talk and this and that. I don't know how to do this and that. But the fact is that everything is learnable. And if we know that is the cause of, something that is hindrance in our success, I think it is better that we start learning it rather than procrastinating.
True.
When I began to write my first book, I was discouraged because I could only use the hunt and peck method of typing. I soon realized that I had to learn to touch type if I was ever going to write and rewrite a 300-page book. So I bought a touch typing program for my computer and practiced for 20 to 30 minutes every day for 3 months. By the end of that time, I was typing 30 to 40 words per minute. With this additional skill, I have been able to write more than 40 books that have been published all over the world. That is about Brian Tracy. That true कि हाँ हमारी टाइपिंग स्पीड कम होती है तो हम ऐसे ऐसे एक एक अक्षर ढूंढ ढूंढ के करते रहेंगे टाइपिंग. बट अगर हमारे को समझ में आ रहा है कि दिस इज द टाइम वेस्टर फॉर अस एंड आई हैव टू राइट सो मच ऑन द लैपटॉप, it is better that I invest 30 to 40 minutes every single day to learn typing.
True. So upgrading your skills is the key word here. You should upgrade your skills.
Absolutely. The best news is that you can learn whatever skills you need to be more productive and more effective. You can become a touch typist if necessary. You can become a proficient expert with a computer. You can become a terrific negotiator or a super salesman. You can learn to speak in public. You can learn to write effectively and well. These are all skills you can acquire as soon as you decide to and make them a priority. So you have to prioritize whatever you have to learn as well. 3 steps to mastery. First, read in your field for at least 1 hour every day. Every day.
Wonderful.
Get up a little earlier in the morning and read for 30 to 60 minutes in a book or a magazine that contains information that can help you to be more effective and productive at what you do.
Right.
And that is why this book reading club has been created, you know. You have a habit of reading every single day.
Yes, and it is very, very necessary. Thank you for shifting timings here and there for us.
Second is, take every course and seminar available on key skills that can help you. Attend the conventions and business meetings of your profession or occupation. Go to the sessions and workshops. Sit up front and take notes. Purchase the audio recordings of the programs. Dedicate yourself to becoming one of the most knowledgeable and competent people in your field. How Pooja Puneet keeps on telling she is the least educated in the industry, yet the most educated in her topic.
Yes.
Because she keeps on learning. She keeps on going to various coaches around the world to learn the skill that she teaches everyone.
Yes.
And she is the most educated in the industry.
Yes.
Third, listen to audio programs in your car. The average car owner sits behind the wheel 500 to 1,000 hours each year while driving from place to place. Turn driving time into learning time. You can become one of the smartest, most capable, and highest paid people in your field simply by listening to educational audio programs as you drive around. Isn't that?
Wonderful.
हम लोग
Wonderful.
हम लोग बाहर देखते रहते हैं, that is good. हम गाने सुनते हैं to entertain ourselves. If that entertainment becomes the educational hour of ourselves for ourselves, wouldn't it be such a beautiful way of learning?
Agree. Yes.
The more you learn and know, the more confident and motivated you feel. You better you become, the more capable you will be of doing even more in your field. The more you learn, the more you can learn. Just as you can build your physical muscles through physical exercise, you build your mental muscles with mental exercises. And there is no limit to how far or how fast you can advance, except for the limits you place on your own imagination. हमारा जो दिमाग है ना, that is the biggest barrier in our achievement, because it
Yes.
is the one who limits us कि नहीं बस इतने से ज्यादा नहीं कर सकती थी, and it is all bullshit, because
Yes.
we have innate capability to achieve a lot in the universe. Universe has
So
a lot to give as well, but हम क्या
only
कर रहे हैं?
human beings
Limit.
are the beings who never grow to their fullest potential.
Yes.
Because
Trees
the
को
more
देखो,
you
trees
grow,
कितने
the
ऊंचे हो
more
जाते हैं.
हो जाते हैं, but उनकी भी एक limitation है. But human beings, they don't have any limitation.
Yes.
Wherever you reach, you feel like, okay, if I have scope of another level of growth, better reach there.
Yes.
This
वही है
is
ना,
what
हर माउंटेन पीक के ऊपर पहुंच के हमारे को दूसरी माउंटेन पीक दिख ही जाती है.
देखी जाती है.
There is no limit to our growth.
Yes, there is no limit.
Towards the end of the chapter, as Brian Tracy always gave us two key notes to ponder on, to work on. Here
Wow.
are the two key points. Resolve today to become a do-it-yourself project. Become a lifelong student of your craft. School is never out of your professional.
Wow.
Number two is identify the key skills that can help you the most to achieve better and faster results. Determine the core competencies that you will need to have in the future to lead your field, whatever they are. Set a goal, make a plan, and begin developing and increasing your ability in those areas. Decide to be very best at what you do. So we know that we are in an ever evolution है हमारी, हर थोड़े दिनों बाद कुछ चेंज आने वाला है.
Right.
Smart would it be if we know कि अबे थोड़े एक दो साल के बाद what is going to happen in the world, and we start training ourselves for that time as well.
Exactly.
Let's start doing that.
That
was it for today. Thank you, Archana, for joining in. And before we go, do you have anything to share? What is your massive takeaway from today's
yes, I love the thing that one should keep on learning and upgrading their skills. So this is very, very important for your own growth. Like, even if you are a working professional or just mere sitting at home and being just a housewife, but still you need, to upgrade yourself, because the more you learn, the better person you become, right? So this I like the most, and especially in the areas where you are working already. So, like housewives have very beautiful skill, that is culinary skills. So they can evolve around it, like कि मैं खाना बढ़िया से बढ़िया और different dishes क्या try कर सकती हूँ. People have that kind of interest. घर में कैसे और manage कर सकती हूँ, how to have that best ways to keep my house more organized. Or if you are a working professional, how you can grow to that level wherein okay, this is the way of my working right now, let me have something else also which can make me more productive in my work.
Yes.
So this is how life goes on, and that is why these training skills, bakers, they also go out to learn variants, the different variety of bakings, different variety of tools, marketing strategies. So I think it doesn't matter whether you are at home or you are a working professional or you are a working from home mom or you are working from wherever across the globe. You need to upscale your skills. That is the requirement and the demand of the time.
Absolutely.
So that must any person should do, because the better you become, the better your life would become.
मैं तो ये
So
बोलती हूँ
that
कि
is it.
even if you are a person who knows how to make pickles,
Yes,
keep upgrading your skills to make better
yes,
pickles.
yes.
You should be the best at whatever you deliver.
Whatever you are doing, right? And it could be out of interest, and no, you never knows whenever your this skill could become, another way of earning some money for you, for your
Exactly.
own self, sitting at home. पिकल्स का तो आजकल लोग भूल ही गए हैं कि हाथ के बने हुए पिकल्स कैसे होते हैं. सो पीपल डू लव घर का अचार,
Mm.
बाजार मार्केट से ज्यादा दे प्रेफर टू हैव
Yes.
handmade achars. So this is like seems to be very simpler thing, but it is very very required in nowadays. So I
Absolutely.
think every skill is very very important and one must master it.
We all are
Yesterday,
dependent on one skill or the other. I don't know who created this, ring light.
yeah,
The better it is coming to my use, right? I need it.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
whatever you're doing, just keep
Just
working on it.
imagine how Zoom came into existence.
Yes. I never
Nobody
had
ever
heard about
bothered.
Zoom.
Yeah, nobody ever bothered. I still remember the first day when I was delivering my lecture. I was like looking where are all those buttons and all that stuff, where to mute, how to share, and all that stuff. But eventually, we all evolved because it is the demand of the time.
Exactly.
And not only like on one hand, we can say, ki, okay, we are very educated, we can easily upgrade ourselves. But nowadays, every person, they know how to run Zoom,
Yes.
how to have Google Meet, how to have Zoom.
Yes.
So world is
अब बच्चों ने
changing at a
तो
fast
then
pace.
I तो I'm thankful to my kids. I
Ah,
I
I
learned a
am
lot from
also
them.
thankful
Yes.
for my kids as well as for my friends who taught me how to run Zoom.
Wonderful, wonderful. The keynote is that be a lifelong learner and be the
Yes,
best
keep
at
learning
whatever you
and
are doing.
upgrading your skills. Yes, keep whatever you are doing, keep on upgrading. And yes, give time to that thing.
At least 30 to 40 minutes every single day, just give to upgrade your skill. Because
I like this, and it is like very nicely said कि अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो आप फिर वहीं के वहीं रह जाओगे.
वहीं के वहीं नहीं रह जाओगे, you will become worst.
I mean, you will go back to that zero state. No,
Yes.
वहां से दोबारा से फिर वो जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी. तो इट्स लाइक keep on going and going and keep
क्या
on
बोले?
upgrading.
Anytime you stop striving to get better, you are bound to get worse.
Yes, you're bound to get worst because आप back to square one कभी भी नहीं होना चाहोगे. You always want to go ahead from where you are.
All right, on that note, thank you once again for joining in and see you tomorrow.
Thank
No, tomorrow
you.
nahi. Our next session will be on Monday.
Yes,
Weekend session is going to be there at 1 p.m. If you wish, please feel free to join.
I'll let you know.
Sure. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.